So just in case you ever wonder what's inside of one of these, I figured I'd make a quick video of me taking one apart. The reason why I bought this to replace the one I have is because I have the old style with the flat puck inside, and this one, because of these, it should have the new style. And for what I paid for it, I pretty much just got a free regulator with a rebuild kit. So yeah, I'll take it apart, show you all what's in it, and quick and easy video. And the first thing I'm doing is backing out this nut and backing out the screw, just to make sure that there's no pressure on the diaphragm. And pretty much this is it. You got the top cover, then you got the spring with the seat for the top set screw. Here's the diaphragm, and like I said, this is I believe the revised version that has the ball, and the easiest way to tell, it has these screws instead of the safety ones. So pretty much this is the diaphragm that sits against that, like so. And this is the bottom of your fuel pressure regulator. You can also remove this fitting right here. And what's happening here is that fuel comes in through here, builds up pressure here, and depending on what setting you have the screw at, it's pushing down on this, and the fuel pressure will raise this and go down into the bottom to the return line. But yeah, pretty simple design. So just to stir the pot here a little bit, this is the lower half of your fuel pressure regulator, right? And here is where the fuel goes down through it back into the return line. Now, a lot of people say that you need to upgrade your return line because the Saginaw fittings are restrictive. And I have measured those before. And I'm going to measure this right now, which is 4.6 millimeters. And let's do that in inches. 0.18 inches, or 3/16. Yeah, so we got 3/16 here. Very small return hole. And just like that, it's back together. That is the fuel pressure regulator in your turbo Buick.